This is really good quality. Assessing the current situation in my pantry, I can see a lot of uses for these airtight glass jars, but I'm going to try a few and let me know what you think. It's very secure. Oh my, okay, that is awesome. Real muscles, got it. Gotta use your muscles. This could work really well to keep the kids out or keep myself out of some snacks that I shouldn't get into. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay, I just have to really give it a go.
I'm walking in my desert with no tie, heart and soul. Would you give me some water or let me